Welcome to the top 20 headlines at Westferry Times. Millions of UK households are bracing for increased energy bills, as new projections show a sharp rise in heating costs due to global energy shortages. Government support schemes are under pressure to expand aid. Heavy downpours have caused severe flooding across Yorkshire and Cumbria, with local authorities issuing evacuation notices and setting up emergency shelters. Rail services and roadways are severely disrupted. The Scottish Government has renewed its call for independence, citing economic autonomy as a key benefit. Westminster debates intensify over granting another vote. The UK announced a £4 billion investment to boost its electric vehicle production capabilities, aiming to meet growing demand and align with net zero goals. NHS workers, including nurses and paramedics, are planning widespread strikes over pay disputes, exacerbating the healthcare system's challenges ahead of winter. The UK government's immigration strategy sparked backlash after introducing stricter asylum laws. Critics argue these measures could violate international agreements. Researchers at a Cambridge lab announced a breakthrough in personalized cancer therapy using gene editing, offering new hope for patients. A cyberattack disrupted services at one of Britain's largest banks, prompting investigations by cybersecurity agencies. Customer data remains secure, according to officials. Thousands of university lecturers initiated a nationwide strike, demanding better pay and working conditions amid rising living costs. The NHS reports a significant increase in flu cases, with hospitals preparing for a challenging winter season. Vaccination campaigns have been intensified. A tense ceasefire in Gaza continues, with international mediators pushing for a long-term resolution. Both sides remain cautious amid ongoing negotiations. The US announced tighter restrictions on semiconductor exports to China, prompting Beijing to warn of retaliation, escalating economic tensions. India's lunar mission has discovered traces of frozen water on the Moon's south pole, a finding with immense potential for future space exploration. Brazil is deploying military forces to combat illegal deforestation, after satellite images revealed alarming destruction in the Amazon rainforest. Eurozone inflation dropped to its lowest rate in 2 years, fueling debates over the European Central Bank's next monetary moves amid stagnant growth. Armed clashes in Ethiopia's Amhara region have intensified, forcing thousands to flee. Humanitarian agencies call for urgent international support. Scientists warn that Antarctic ice is melting at an unprecedented rate, threatening global sea level rise and ecosystem changes. The United States Air Force successfully tested a fully autonomous fighter jet, marking a milestone in military AI technology development. Mass protests erupted in France as citizens opposed the government's plans to raise the retirement age from 62 to 64, disrupting transport and services. The World Health Organization declared the end of a months-long Marburg virus outbreak in Tanzania and Equatorial Guinea, which claimed dozens of lives. Thank you for watching Westferry Times. Stay informed, stay ahead.